What are you doing out here?
Go get my shoes. I gotta work on the fence today.
So, Bull got out. We're going to have to try to get he's up in the front. Now, we live in a development, so it's not going to be cool for him to be out here. I got to try to catch him. Well, my husband's going to go get something and help him out. So, we'll see. So, basically, he just come up here to eat acorns. Come on, Mama's got you some. Come on. You want to go back? He ain't going to go back. He got a lot of acorns right here. Anyway, I don't know what we're going to do. It's going to be very interesting. You know what we say? Never a dull moment on the Sigmund family farm. I'm not sure. I'm hoping he's going to get on back down there. Let's go home, buddy. This is a mess. Oh, don't go that way. Yeah, we got to figure out where he got out at, too. So I don't fall and break my neck. Go on, bud. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.